Can I get one large pepperoni pizza and an order of the cheese sticks? Thanks.
Delivery for Skinny Cat. Enjoy your meal.
Oh boy, thank you so much. I'm starving.
And they're neck and neck coming around the final turn. What a finish we have here tonight.
And Otto Win takes the checkered flag.
Yeah! Otto win! We won! We won!
Some cats just have it, others just look like they need a sandwich. Better luck next time, kid. Trash!
It's gonna be all right, Skinny. We're here for you.
Thank you, Luna. I appreciate that.
They just kept laughing at my clothes and my ribs. It was so humiliating.
Oh, Skinny, I'm so sorry that happened to you. They surrounded me, backing me into a corner. I was so scared.
This is our turf now. Get lost.
Thanks, Luna. I really appreciate this. Don't worry, hop in. You'll be safe here.
Woohoo! This is amazing, Luna! I know, right? Hold on tight. Look how huge it is! We're almost there!
I know. I can already hear the crowd. Let's go win this.
All right, you're all set. Here are your race numbers.
We did it, Skinny. We're finally in.
Time to race!
And here they are, folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's hear it for number 95, Skinny Cat.
Three, two, one, Geo!
This is the best part, isn't it?
It really is. I love the smell of fresh bread in the morning.
I'm so happy right now. This food is wonderful.
Me too, Skinny Cat. It's perfect.
Look at how fresh that fish is.
It smells amazing. Let's get some for dinner.
I really like these bags over here. What do you think of this color?
I don't know, I'm kind of digging this t-shirt.
I hope you like the yellow.
I do.
It's great, Luna. Thank you. I feel stronger every day with this. And I'm almost done with the vegetables.
Wow, this tastes incredible. It really does. To a great meal. Cheers.
I'm starting work tomorrow, you know? I hope it goes well.
It's a lovely color on you. Enjoy your new handbag.
I certainly will. Thank you so much.
Here, this is for you.
A pink handbag. Oh, Skinny, I adore it.
Oh, wow. Look at that climbing structure.
It's amazing. I'm glad we came.
let me go.
Luna! Luna! Where are you?
Listen to me! I'm trapped! The package is secure, but I need extraction now! They're everywhere!
Welcome to the gym. If you could just sign right here.
No problem. Looking forward to it. Yeah, I told you I'd win. $1,000, baby. We're celebrating tonight.
Yes, everything is going according to plan. Just make sure the delivery is on time.
No, I don't think we'll have any trouble from the Resistance.
Boss now! You're going to regret everything you've done. I can't believe we made it through that. I love you.
I love you too. Everything is going to be okay now.
I'll take this pink one, please. It's for my friend.
A fine choice, sir. She will love it.
This is the best meal I've had in ages.
It's wonderful to see you eating so well. I'm so happy.
Look at those grapes!
The fish look amazing. We should get some for dinner.
Freshly caught salmon right here.
This wood is splitting nicely today.
The carrots look perfect. We'll have a great stew.